So I'm going out and I don't have much time to do a full glam up look. So I'm doing a quick 5 minutes makeup routine. So if you're someone who loves simple, fresh and effortless makeup look that just take few minutes, this video is for you guys. So I always do this look when I am in rush, and trust me, it makes a huge difference without needing too many products or keeping too much of effort. So let's get started. So first things first, before applying any kind of makeup, I like to prep my skin. So this was like super important thing for me to get that smooth and glowy finish. This is how my skin looks right now. I like to keep my skincare simple but effective. So I'm starting with Centella Pore Minimizer Serum. So this serum helps to blur out the pores and gives my skin a fresh base for makeup. So I'm applying a few drops and gently pressing into my skin. I'll just let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes before layering into other products. So this will help absorb better, and also it makes my makeup last longer. Also, I'll link all the products in the description box. Everything I am using today is from Nykaa. They are having amazing offers for the Holi. There is a huge sale going on right now, so definitely check them out. Now that my skin is prepped, I am using a sugar illuminating moisturizer. This is more like a moisturizer but with an added glow. So you don't need any extra highlighter. Just take small amount and apply it all over your face after the serum. Just look at the instant glow, guys, and also giving you that lit from within without any effort. So for my base, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Mattifying Primer Sunscreen with Clay. This is a 2-in-1 product, guys. It works like a sunscreen and also a primer at the same time. Sunscreen is must. We all know that, even if you are staying indoors or outdoors, it's important. So what I love about this product is it blurs out pores, it controls oil, and the main thing is it doesn't have any white cast. So I use a lot of sunscreens that leave annoying white cast, but this one blends like into your skin like a water. It gives you smooth and matte finish, making a perfect base for a makeup. Like, since we are keeping this look minimal, I am skipping the full coverage one. Like, I'm not using the full coverage foundation. I'm using the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation in the shade 22 Light Warm Clear Cod. This is a medium coverage foundation which was long lasting with 1% of hydrating hibiscus complex. It will keep your skin fresh and hydrated. I love foundations that feel lightweight but still even out my skin tone. I'm just applying a few drops all over my face and blending it with a brush. You can also use your fingers, it will blend seamlessly, but I prefer brush for the smoother finish. So this literally looks like my skin but better, right? So for daily wear, I prefer this kind of breathable foundations, but for any weddings or events, I'll just go for a full coverage one. Like, I already did my brows earlier, so I'm just brushing them out to shape them properly. I truly believe that eyebrows can make a look or break a look. So for framing a face and completing the makeup, eyebrows do a main job. Even if I'm doing the minimal makeup, I always make sure my eyebrows are neat and clean. So for blush, I am using my all-time favorite benetint. This is the liquid tint that gives most of the natural and rosy glow finish. I am applying few drops across my cheeks from temples to all over the cheeks. So this looks like a beautiful flush of color. This is super blendable. You can go for a soft look or intense look depending on your preference. I personally love blushes that melt into my skin and doesn't look cakey. So this is also a long lasting one compared to the powder blushes. So I'm just dabbing into my skin with my fingers and just look at the rosy glow, and it just gives you that natural finish. So coming to my lashes, I am just applying 2 coats of mascara. I like my lashes to look natural and defined, so I am not going for any dramatic look today. I make sure that every lash is coated for the soft and lifted look. So I'll just give you a quick tip here. Wiggle the mascara wand from the roots to tips. So this will help separate the lashes and gives them fuller look without clumping. This was a simple tip I always follow while applying the mascara. And for my lips, I am just using this brick tone crayon lipstick from Sugar. I'll just show you a quick eyeshadow hack as well. So this color is so beautiful, like it glides on like a butter, super smooth, comfortable on my lips, and it looks so good on my skin tone as well. So instead of applying any kind of separate eyeshadows or having any separate kind of eyeshadow palettes, I just take little bit of lipstick on my fingers while dabbing on my lips. I'll just take it and transfer it on my eyelids. So this gives you like a soft and monochromatic look without needing any extra product. And I think this is the easiest way to put the look together with minimal effort. Like, just look at my face, the eyes and the lips, everything keeps together because of the eyeshadow thing. I believe in that. So now that makeup is done, I am just taking out my heatless curls. Like, I always prep my hair with heatless curls before doing my makeup so that I'll get that bouncy, voluminous look without using heat. Look how effortlessly these curls fall. If you want a tutorial on how to do heatless curls, let me know in the comments below. I'll just happily do that video for you guys. And that's it. Yeah, this is my quick and simple 5 minutes makeup look with glowing skin, fresh blush, soft lips and effortless curls. The foundation was long lasting, the lipstick feels amazing, the blush is perfectly blended. So what do you guys think of this look? If you guys enjoyed watching this video, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this to your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you try out this look, tag me on Instagram. I would like to see your creations. My Instagram link is also in the bio. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.